Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove organ donor from your driver's license. First, understand that this process varies by state, so checking your local Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV, website is crucial. Many states require you to submit a specific form or visit an office in person to make this change. It's important to follow your state's exact guidelines to ensure the designation is properly removed from your license and official records. The method for removal largely depends on your state's regulations. For example, some states offer an online portal through their DMV or a dedicated donor registry website where you can update your status. However, many states still require an in-person visit to a DMV office. Often, you'll need to request a duplicate license, which may incur a small fee, to have the updated status printed on your physical card. When visiting a DMV office, be prepared with the necessary documentation. You will almost certainly need your current driver's license or state identification card. Additionally, many states require proof of identity, such as a birth certificate or a valid passport. Some jurisdictions may also ask for proof of residency, like a recent utility bill or bank statement, to verify your address. Always check your state's specific requirements beforehand. After submitting your request, ensure the change is accurately reflected on your new or updated driver's license. It's also vital to confirm that your decision has been removed from your state's official organ donor registry, as removing it from your license alone might not update the registry. This ensures your wishes are fully documented. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.